Hey guys, we received this TIJN classic aviator sunglasses for test and try. So this can be worn by any man, woman, or the driving, the sunwear shades and polarized lenses. So this is a classic aviator style, as you can see, the black lenses. So let me just take this out, and you can see a very nice pair of glasses and sunglasses with the polarized thing. So this is all like metal frame, and then this is for the polarized thing. So you can see you can easily see it like under this lenses. Hopefully you can see it in the camera. Yeah. So you can see it through this, but not like directly. So they are the really nice polarized glasses, and this comes with this microfiber cloth as well. So cleaning is easy, and just you can use it for your daily use. So it's a nice cut design with the solid metal hinges, final screws, and comfortable wear, and looks really nice as well.